Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss about the issue which you guys are currently facing. So many user reported me on my Instagram that they are not able to create account, or some of the user also mentioned that they created the account, but it's showing that you are not eligible for that. Okay, so for that I created this video to highlight some are the details should be not used in the account creation process. Okay, and what are the best recommendation we should follow to create the account so you'll not get that issue. So first is that if you have any existing account on AWS, try to avoid the information which you have used in your existing. So, what is happening here? If you have any existing account and the details which you have used earlier, and if same details if you are going to reuse in this account creation process, the AWS is detecting that and it's throwing the error, or it's giving it that you are not eligible or you have existing account. Okay. So these things are there. So for avoiding this, uh, I have some recommendations. So if you follow that recommendation, you will not get that issue. So first is that the mobile number which you are using, make sure it should be unique. Unique in the sense, like if you have any existing account with this mobile number, don't try to use this mobile number. Otherwise, you will again face the issue. Okay. Another is that email. So this also you should use the any new email or the email which is not used in the any existing account. Otherwise, again it will not allow you to create the account, or it will throw some error. Third is that the ID. So in India, most of the people has to provide the PAN card, and I am not sure in another country what is the ID they are providing. But PAN card, so like if you have used your PAN card earlier while creating the account, and same PAN card if you are going to provide here, definitely AWS is going to not allow you to create the account. So try to avoid this and create with the any new details. Okay. Third is that debit card. So uh, most of the time debit card should not detect, but better what I recommend, better use the new debit card which is not used in your existing account. Otherwise it will throw the error. Okay. So these are the details which you have to follow while creating the account. Okay. So if you have like the some user also reported me that they have already account, they already provided their PAN card, debit card and all, and now they don't have anything. So in this case, what I'll recommend, use any use the mobile number, email ID, debit card from any one of your family member. Okay. And name we can provide anything, that is the not an issue. But like if you have already created with your details and you don't have the any new this details, so try to use your family member. Okay. So this will solve your issue. Another thing that I want to highlight here, make sure while creating the account, don't use the this one, the browser in the normal tab. Okay. Always use the incognito mode. So here in the Chrome you'll find the incognito mode. So always try to sign up in the incognito mode. So why I'm suggesting this, so you might have tried to create the account in the browser many times. Okay. And it has store your browser cache in cache memory. Okay. And because of that, the AWS detecting that you have already tried or you have some details that is stored in the AWS console. Okay. So try to avoid that and try to create in the incognito mode, so you will not face that issue. And one more thing you have to notice that there are two options. In one is the legacy AWS free tier, and another is the new process which we are following, the AWS free tier. Okay. So just go for create account and make sure when you are clicking on the create account, and when it's come to for sign up, okay, so make sure that credit related details are mentioned there. So what I'm saying that, let me show you. So when you are providing your email ID and the account name, so make sure these things are mentioned there on this sign up page, okay. Otherwise you might have some another link that is legacy one, and you are trying to create from there, but that should not be. It will redirect you here only, but try to find that if it is available or not, okay. So these are the details that I want to share with you. And other than that, if you are facing any issue, try to ping me on Instagram. I'll try to resolve your issue. And by this week, I'll try to create all this 4 video and try to get all that another $80 credits. Okay. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned. Let's connect in another video. Thank you.